everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I decided I'm gonna do something because I really need to do this, you guys. I'm gonna start Vlogmas. I've always wanted to do this, and every time I'm about to do it, I'm just like, not feeling it. But this year I really want to do it, and it's just not me vlogging. I'm gonna give you guys 25 days of me getting a goal done. That is what I want to do. So today is December 2nd, so I am going to finish my goal, and my goal today was to get my Christmas tree up and get it decorated. That was my goal for the day. We're also got advent calendars we're going to show you guys on a daily basis. I was going to do a video for it this morning, and then I'm like, no, we're not going to do it. And then I'm like, you know what, we're going to do it. So I'm going to show you guys our daily advent calendars that we got. But other than that, I just want to do a daily vlog. You guys like it. I want to give you guys something. I have been super like down in the dumps. I don't know if I'm like severely depressed, but I'm just really depressed. I decided I'm not couponing for the rest of the week. I don't know how I'll feel by the end of the week, but right now I'm not going out in public. So that is what is going on right now. But we got a couple different advent calendars that I want to show you guys. And we did do it. So the ones that we got are this list, Toy Story 4. Now today is December 2nd. So we already did the two already. So tomorrow we will show you guys tomorrow's chocolate. It's just a little piece of chocolate. I got this at Five Below. It's what the store's called. For like, I think we paid like $2 for it. So we'll show you guys tomorrow's chocolate of the day. And then this is This is an advent calendar I actually got from Mattel for free to do a review on, which I like. There's no spots for it. I signed up for it years ago, and I finally got a chance to get it. But you got to pick out a toy, and I'm like, why not pick out a mystery, advent calendar? And one thing Ben really loves is Thomas Minis. So the only thing I don't like about this is they have it like in order. So like we'll show you guys to number 3 tomorrow. But this was today's train. It was James. Yeah. And there is 6 exclusive Christmas ones, and we've Ben already lost number 1. We were cleaning yesterday. So that is what was tomorrow. This is what yesterday's was, and this is what today's is. So we will show you guys opening up tomorrow for number 3, but I thought it's kind of cute. I really wish they had tracks for these advent calendars, or the little minis. They do have like activities, but they don't have like an actual track. So we got that to open for tomorrow.
We got a book calendar.
And now we got the book calendar. Now I wanted to avoid toys this year, so I got this like a while ago. This is an advent calendar. I paid $10 for this. We got this at Aldi. I actually pre-ordered one 3 or 4 months ago on Amazon, and they never shipped it, and I ended up just canceling it. But I'm super excited for this. Now, this is what I love. And one thing I do like about this is you guys can actually do this over and over and over again. Because they have these like little wrappings that you guys can keep. So what I say is keep the little wrappers and save this for next year if you guys want to just read books like once a month. So Ben and I opened number 1, and it's just a tiny little book, and it just slides out. Pull the thing off, Benny Pooh. So here, Ben. So yeah, basically all it is just like a little sleeve. So I thought that'd be kind of cute just to keep. And we can redo this all next year and mix up the books. Yeah. So we opened this morning because we forgot to do this, but we're gonna open a book up before we go to bed every single night. So 101 Dalmatians was for yesterday, and actually Ben's gonna come over and open number 2 because we haven't opened number 2 yet. So come on over here. Ben's gonna find number 2. He's gonna open it. Okay, let's see what tonight's book is when we go to bed. Oh, we got Milan. So, it's funny thing is, these are like little books, but there is like a big story in it. Like, you guys can look.
Let's read it.
We will in a second, honey. But yeah, there's like a lot of words in here. So, I mean, it's a full book. So, we're going to read that book for tonight, and we can show you guys what tomorrow is.
My number what tire is where's Flea?
Yeah, and then we have an advent calendar for myself, but Benjamin did something. Okay, so this is what I did a haul for you guys for, and I wanted to do a video, and I was debating if I should do an individual video, and I'm like, no.
Mommy can open number one.
So I got this at Ulta. It was 20 bucks. I used a coupon. They do show you like what is kind of inside, but we're going to do number one. We're actually going to pick 2 of them today because today is the 2nd, but let me get that out and just give me a second. Here is number 1. I'm going to use my trusty helper to help me figure out how to open it. Right here, Benny Pooh. Okay, Ben's going to open it.
It is glitter!
It is glitter. It is... it says Ulta Beauty Jelly Eyeshadow. So this looks like it's like a liquid eyeshadow.
Cool.
It's kind of like a copper color. Hold on, Benny. Hold on, honey. So we're just going to open this up and see what it looks like real quick. Sorry, I'm just opening it up. But that's basically what it is. It's just like a cream.
Touch it.
I'm not going to touch it right now. But
touch it.
It's kind of pretty. I like it. It's not focusing very well, but it's like a hard... Yeah, so we got that as number 1, and Benjamin is opening number 2.
And it, whoa! And
what is
lipstick.
This? So,
lipstick.
This is a liquid highlighter for face and body, and it's got like a little.
Wait. There's
something else is in there? Nope, just paper. So. That was number 2. This is kind of cool. So it's like a little gold little highlighter. So that was number 2. So that's kind of cool. I really like this because I'm not a big gold person. Hold on, honey. I'm not a big gold person, but I do like highlighters, and it's nice to have something like shimmer your face. So we're just going to put these back where they're at. But we got the number 2s, and then tomorrow we'll open number 3.
And after all these are gone, we have one more to show you.
Okay. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed our little Advent unboxing. We're going to show you guys that all the way up until we get to day 24. But yeah, I just think it's kind of cool just to show you guys kind of what we're doing. Like I said, I'm really in I need the motivation right now. I am like so depressed that I don't want to leave my house. I just contacted my doctor on getting help. But my goal for the day was to get my Christmas tree up. We did get the Christmas stockings up. I gotta get the rest.
My favorite ornament is super bad.
And I gotta get the rest of my Christmas decorations up, which we'll work on tonight. But let me show you guys my tree. I'm just gonna shut some of the lights off, and we'll show you guys the tree. So here it is.
We are not done with the tree yet.
We have just a couple more ornaments left to go. I gotta find my tree topper.
It's kind of in the basement.
Since it's dark out, I gotta spread my Christmas lights, because like there's like Christmas lights that are just like in a black spot, and I don't like it. So yes, this is our 2nd year going with LED. I've never had LED because I'm always frugal, but
we got a party hat.
Ben's got a party hat. We're having a Christmas party in a couple days. So if you guys saw this, I made a little ornament for myself. Yeah, so I guess you guys want to see it with the Christmas ornaments. So here.
You just put this on the top.
You want me to put that on the top?
Yeah, the star.
Oh, that's not really. I'll put it on there when I get to the thing. But this is my tree, you guys. It's just a lot of Disney ornaments. One thing I always do every single year is I always have a ornament that I make that with the pictures that we take every single year. So this was last year. We found out we were having a girl on Thanksgiving, and this is at Disney World. I did make one for this year. I gotta figure out.
Not done yet.
Where'd we put this year? Okay, so here's this year's ornament. We got all of us at the hospital.
I'm gonna show you my favorite ornament.
And then Charlotte and Benjamin. And I forgot to put 2019, but I always order a metal ornament from Shutterfly every single year.
a T versus my favorite ornament. My favorite ornament is this one in the gumball machine. And my second favorite ornament is Super Ben.
Super Ben? Cool. So.
And this is my favorite ornament too because it's Little Paris.
Little Paris, yeah. So that is our, I guess, Vlogmas day number 1. Not really much going on. I'm just trying to get the kids to bed. Charlotte's just on the floor. We're just crawling all over her. One thing I'm excited to share with you guys as time goes on is my Christmas card wall. I love.
Hit me with that.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, baby.
One thing. Hurt.
Okay.
And we love this ornament. We miss.
But one thing I really love is Christmas cards, and I just love putting them up. When a Christmas is done and over with, I never.
We're gonna take it down.
I take all my Christmas stuff down, but I literally leave my Christmas cards up until probably February. You guys, like, I love Christmas cards. So if you guys need to send me Christmas cards, go ahead. I may or may not send some of you guys some Christmas cards back. So if you guys want to, let me know. I might think about it and send you guys some Christmas cards. Just let me know. I do have my P.O. box down below. You know, it'd be nice. I love getting stuff from you guys. I really, really do. So that would cheer me up a lot. But other than that, that's my goal.
My favorite ornament is this ornament right there.
Oh, okay. But otherwise, I'm just gonna cut it short. But I'm gonna show you guys.
Mr. Potato had my shotgun.
See, this is why we never do live videos.
This is my favorite second ornament.
I've seen you someplace before. Arriba.
Let me show you another one.
Okay. Bark, bark, bark. So, sorry my house is a mess, you guys. I'm just trying to get motivated. But that's the reason why I'm going to start Vlogmas, you guys. I am actually going to do a new goal every single day. And my goal for today was the Christmas tree, as you guys know from the third time.
Ornament in the hand. I'm starting to get the present.
Okay, another goal is to get all of my laundry done for the day. I want to clean my house. We are having a party in a couple days, so I have to have my house clean and spick and span, so you guys will see how well I do. I do very well under pressure. Very well under pressure, just not right now. But other than that, if you guys want to see more Vlogmas, let me know. I'm going to try to show you guys a video for the next, up until Christmas Eve, maybe even Christmas Day.
I was standing the floor, will be the one that mine.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I got some wreaths I got to make. I want to make some Christmas wreaths just because I like making my tube wreaths. So
you have to make
you guys,
a Bucky wreath.
Oh, I have to make a Bucky wreath? Actually, I should make a Bucky wreath. But you guys might see me make another video of this one in a Christmas one just because I want to do...
one more back in here.
Okay. Otherwise, I want to do another Christmas one.
And I'll show you this one. That's a Halloween one.
This is the fall one, and this is a Halloween one. But I do need to make a Christmas one, so I'm going to probably make another video for that. But I'm sorry, you guys, for just rambling, but we are going to let you go.
Show the stockings.
Oh, I got to show you guys the stockings. To show you guys the stockings real quick, and then I'll show you guys more of the Christmas decorations as we put them up. Charlotte does not have a stocking yet.
Baby, we just take one down, and we have that one still for me.
Yeah, so we're going to get more stockings. Even Miss Paris has a stocking. But if you guys enjoyed Vlogmas Day...
This is Paris' stocking. This is Mommy's stocking. This is Daddy's stocking. This is my stocking.
Oh, okay. Yeah. We're watching. Well, we just were watching The Grinch, and now we're gonna figure out and watch something else. I gotta put Christmas lights up on the house, so you guys will see me do that tomorrow.
I'll show you my favorite Christmas colors on my wall.
Okay, but again, thank you guys for watching, and we will see you guys tomorrow for a better Vlogmas, not this craziness. And I'll let you guys know my goal tomorrow. My goal tomorrow, I think, is to do some laundry and put the Christmas lights on outside. So, again, thank you guys for watching. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, say thank you, Miss Charlotte.
Thank you.
Okay, see you guys later.
Bye.